When it comes to fully automatic espresso machines, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, Philips LatteGo 4400, and KitchenAid KF6 are popular choices among coffee enthusiasts. I have added the link for each one in the description section below, make sure you check them out. Let's start with DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. Pros. User-friendly interface. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo is known for its intuitive control panel. Customizable coffee options. One of the standout features of the Magnifica Evo is its ability to customize coffee strength, size, and temperature. Integrated burr grinder. The built-in conical burr grinder ensures that coffee beans are freshly ground for each cup. Compact design and with a milk frother. The milk frother allows users to create rich, creamy froth for lattes and cappuccinos. Cons. Frothing cup design. While the frother provides quality results, it is hard to wash, and you can't refill during operation. Noise level. Some users have reported that the grinder can be noisy during operation. Limited advanced features. Compared to higher-end models, the Magnifica lacks some advanced features, such as automated cleaning cycles and smart connectivity options. Let's look at the Philips LatteGo 4400. Pros. Innovative milk system. The LatteGo 4400 features a unique milk frothing system that automatically froths milk and delivers creamy results. One-touch coffee brewing. With one-touch functionality, users can easily brew a variety of coffee drinks. Customizable settings. Similar to the Magnifica, the LatteGo allows users to adjust coffee strength, volume, and temperature. Quick and convenient cleaning. The milk system can be rinsed clean under water in just a few seconds, and many components are dishwasher safe. Cons. Frothing quality. While the automatic frothing is convenient, some users feel it doesn't achieve the same level of froth quality as traditional steam wands. Durability concerns. There have been reports of concerns regarding the long-term durability of the LatteGo system and other components. Price point. The Philips LatteGo is positioned at a premium price point, making it a significant investment, particularly for casual coffee drinkers. KitchenAid KF6. Pros. Elegant design. The KitchenAid KF6 is celebrated for its stylish and robust design, available in various colors that can enhance any kitchen aesthetic. User-friendly interface. With a straightforward control panel, the KF6 is easy to operate, allowing users to brew a variety of coffee drinks without a complicated setup. Versatile brewing options. This machine provides a wide range of coffee drink options, including espresso, Americano, and milk-based drinks, making it suitable for diverse tastes and preferences. Quality construction and easy maintenance. KitchenAid is known for its durable products, and the KF6 is not an exception. Cons. Limited milk frothing functionality. The frothing system on the KF6 is less sophisticated than those on other models. Noisy integrated grinder. Unlike Philips LatteGo and like the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, the KF6 comes with a noisy built-in grinder. Higher price tag. The KitchenAid KF6 is positioned at a higher price point compared to its competitors. Conclusion. Choosing between the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, Philips LatteGo 4400, and KitchenAid KF6 ultimately depends on individual preferences, lifestyle, and budget. Each of these machines has unique strengths and weaknesses, catering to different coffee enthusiasts. Evaluating your own needs and preferences will help you find the perfect espresso machine for your kitchen. Let us know which one you prefer in the comment section below, and like this video if you find it useful.